this Yom Ha'Shoah assembly, we mark the 80th anniversary of the Nazi invasion of Poland. Our commemoration will draw on the stories of victims and survivors. We will trace the vanished world in which they lived, celebrating their lives through their poetry, music, and words.
We remember and honour the legacy of those who perished and those who survived, as we mark the 70th anniversary of Mount Scopus. Our school was built on the remarkable vision of survivors who came to Melbourne with dreams of rebuilding a vibrant Jewish life and defying Hitler's genocide. We are the beneficiaries of their vision and resilience, and our school is a testament to them.
Sad.